Hola, amigos. It's attractive. So, I just got out of the laser surgery. Well, not like just got out, but I just got home. And figured I'd recount the events for you guys. I did ask if I could videotape the surgery. She would not let me, so that was kind of upsetting, but whatever. Um, it's pretty cool. I got in there, whatever. She put a numbing cream on my face. Um, she told me it had about 3 different numbing agents in it, and so that it was going to be strong. That was at 2:15. I can still feel the effects of it on, especially around my lips, around my mouth, around the sides of my nose. That's pretty weird. It was actually very weird when it first started kicking in. She put it on and laying there, whatever. She walks out of the room. She's like, I'll come back in 15 minutes to check on you. So I'm just sitting there chilling, texting, even though she said don't. And it wasn't like when you go to the dentist and they shoot you up with Novocaine and like your jaw and your gums and da da da, because I could still feel my muscles moving and contracting and tightening and expanding and all that good stuff in my face. I just couldn't feel my skin. So it really felt like my muscles were outside of my body, even though they weren't. It was really awkward. And it actually started to burn as well after a few minutes, and so I thought maybe something was wrong, but apparently that's normal, so whatever. After about 15 minutes of letting me sit there in awkwardness, she came back in, put on basically like tanning goggles, and started the procedure. She told me that we were going to do my forehead first because that is apparently where where most people have the most pain, and she was not kidding. I had watched a couple of procedures done on YouTube, and so I kind of had an idea as to what was going on. And the people on YouTube had also said, oh, it's about a 6 or about a 7, pretty solid. I like to think of myself as having a very high pain tolerance. I said during the procedure, I said this is kind of a lot like getting a tattoo. It was aggravating to feel it, and it hurt, but I don't know how to explain it. It felt like getting a tattoo to me in a lot of places. Some places it hurt a lot more than others, like especially right along the forehead and along the chin. I guess that's because of where the bone is. That's the only thing that I noticed, that it hurt worse around the bones. And with my face being numb, I could feel like myself wanting to tense up, and so I was trying not to tense up because I thought that might make things more difficult for her. So that was awkward because the whole time that she would hit certain spots and it would kind of just send like a chill down your back, and so you're like tense up and whatnot. So I was trying not to do that, trying to make things easier on her, and she would be like, are you okay? And so then I'd be like, well, apparently even though I am trying not to tense up, I'm tensing up. Great. So, but it was actually a really fast procedure. My appointment was at 2. We were out of there by 3:30, I guess. Let's see, what time did I go through Chick-fil-A? Yeah, we were out of there by 3:30. I left, went to Chick-fil-A, the little girl at the drive-thru. She didn't seem too thrilled with my appearance, so I didn't appreciate that. Skank. Yeah, this stuff I'm gonna have to keep on for about another. I missed a spot. Keep on for about another hour and a half. When I first put it on, I was still at the doctor's office, and she had caked it on really thick. It looked like she had put icing on a cake, almost. But my face is giving off so much heat that it's melted. You can see there's spots everywhere. It wasn't like that when it first got put on. It was solid white. But it doesn't look like that. Ooh, that was Chick-fil-A. Anymore. She told me I'm gonna be brown. So I can't wait to see what she means by that. I guess like I'm gonna look like I was tan. Sweet, I guess. She also told me that I could drink, because I asked. She said, you could take Benadryl if you can't sleep. I said, can I drink a bottle of wine? She said, yes. And I said, okay, that's what I like to hear. I look like I'm in an African tribe. You know how they paint their face all crazy. But yeah, so I survived the surgery, so that's pretty cool. My face still burns. It's not so much a pain, it's just a slight burn and tingle, which is awkward. But I will probably make a video later today. If not later today, it will be in the morning. So keep an eye out for it. See you later.